Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that a taxi driver traveled D kilometer from town A to town B for 20 minutes. The distance from B to C is, this is important, thrice of that from A to B, and A to B we know is D kilometer. So therefore B to C we also know already. So this one will be 3 times D, okay? Kilometer. And next, the time taken to travel from B to C is 30 minutes. So given that his average speed is 50, at least, this is important, the word at least is very important, 50 km per hour, we are going to now form an inequality. This question already identified the unknown and let D represent it already. The next thing for us to do is, this one is important, you do need to indicate that the distance from B to C is 3D, and therefore the total distance is D plus 3D, and the total time we actually need to convert to hours because the speed is given in hours. Okay? Then, once we have this, we will then be able to have an expression for the average speed. D plus 3D is 4D, 20 over 60 plus 30 over 60 will give me 50 over 60. Divide, change to times, 5 over 6 becomes 6 over 5, and it will lead us to 24D over 5. And the reason why I highlight the at least 50 km is because this is how we then decide on the inequality sign. This tells me that the speed is 50 km or more, and therefore I'm going to choose bigger than or equals to 50 for the inequality. Moving on to part B, we are required to solve this inequality. Do take note that we have actually multiplied by 5 on both sides such that 5 and 5 can divide off. 50 times 5 is 250, and after which I'm going to divide by 24 on both sides and finally arrive at this answer. D is bigger than or equals to 10, 5 over 12. And the next integer number of D would then be, after 10 is, 11. So D equals to 11. We have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.